pad, all coming together.
Big appeals, got him! He's got him! Sikandar Raza is not happy at all, but Rashid Khan, well, he's run down. He asked the question and the umpire... Cometh the hour, cometh the man, Rashid Khan. We've just talked about how they would have tried to not lose wickets against him in a very precarious position. He goes right across and hits him in front of middle stump. I've got no problem with that. Correct decision.
Wickets to Rashid Khan. Shout there, a big shout there. And yes, the finger goes up. That's going to be the 7th one to fall.
The umpire wanted to take time on that occasion. Rashid Khan once again with a coolly pitched in line. That was the leg spinner pitching in line around middle stump and hitting the leg stump. Yes, slightly different with the tailenders. Oh, stump shattered. Rashid Khan to celebrate. It was a matter of time before he comes up. Just one man inside the circle at short fine leg region. On the onside, it's gone high up in the air. Where is the short fine? He is there underneath. He takes the catch and 5-wicket haul for Rashid Khan. 5 for 24.
In play, Zimbabwe will have to defend this very small total. Afghanistan are going to require 155 runs in the allotted 50 overs with just 4.5 runs in over.